Right, so after learning the principles of UX design, what you need to do is you need to put all that theory into practice. You need to become super hands-on with a design tool. The tool I would recommend is Figma. It is super powerful, it is very easy to use. Now to learn Figma, there are two ways. One, what 90% of people do is they take a YouTube tutorial and they just, follow those instructions. Yeah, it is good, no harm about it, but what I would prefer is you take your favorite application, let's say it's Spotify, and you just copy paste, you just trace it on Figma. You just take all the elements of your favorite application and design it on Figma. What this will help you with is, number one, it will train your hands and your mind to think like the best designers in the world. And number two, this is a reverse engineering approach. Wherever you will get stuck, you can easily YouTube that, you can easily Google that. Let's say you don't know how to do vertical scrolling, you don't know how to add animations in your design. So you can always Google, you can always go back to tutorials for that. Right, so step two is you take a design tool, take Figma, go crazy with it, become curious with it, start designing stuff on Figma. Now, if you want to learn academically about UI and UX design, if you want to earn a certification that you can put on your LinkedIn, on your portfolio, on your resume, then I have these two amazing course recommendations for you. So let's check that out. For UX design, Google is offering its UX design certificate on Coursera. Already 100,000 people have registered. It is amazing. It has around 7 courses. They cover all the fundamentals and advanced topics of UX design. Link will be in the description. For UI design, MIT is offering its UI design specialization. It is also on Coursera. It has only like 4 courses. They cover the basics and advanced concepts of UI design with examples as well. So yeah, do check them out if you want to further academically pursue your career in UI and UX design. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.